Body Accel Niacinamide Whitening Toothpaste claims to brighten teeth, reduce surface stains, freshen breath, and support gum health using niacinamide or vitamin B3 plus gentle polishing agents. The Amazon listing shows a 3.5-star average over 1,800 reviews. In blogs and independent reviews, users report visible changes over weeks, brighter teeth, fresher breath, and healthier gums. One reviewer says after 2 months their teeth look radiant and feel cleaner without sensitivity. On Reddit, some question the product's legitimacy. They note that many toothpaste makers hide niacinamide but lack evidence that it truly widens or treats decay. Some caution it may be more abrasive than therapeutic. The brand's own website includes user testimonials. Some love it, others say they've seen no noticeable results yet, showing mixed experiences. In my view, the formula may help lift light surface stains and offers a pleasant experience for regular brushing, but expect subtle changes. It's not guaranteed to deliver dramatic whitening. Which offers better whitening? Body Accel's niacinamide formula or clinically backed whitening paste like peroxide based ones?